Hello, my name is Tommy Boland. I'm Professor of Ruminant Nutrition in the School of Agriculture and Food Science in University College Dublin. Today I'm standing on UCD Lyons Research Farm. Internationally, our products are highly sought after and well recognised in terms of the environmental standards under which they are produced. Our dairy, beef and lamb products have some of the lowest carbon footprints per kilogram of meat and milk internationally. Certainly there are challenges facing our industry relating to climate change, greenhouse gas emissions and water quality. However, our industry and our individual farmers are working hard to tackle these challenges and are well motivated to meet these challenges into the future. To support our farmers in meeting these challenges, our research institutions, including UCD, Teagasc and many more, are conducting cutting-edge research which is also being translated to our farmers to address them in meeting these various challenges.